Hi guys, welcome back. Hope all is well. Here I want to share with you how to make this tasty looking masala oven roasting chicken leg. If you enjoy watching this video, subscribe, like or share. So for this chicken, I have a few pieces of chicken leg and I removed the skin from it, washed and drained really well. Then I cut some slits into it. And for the chicken, I will create a paste. So I will make a chicken masala spice mix. Here are the ingredients. I have here 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of ginger, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of mustard, turmeric, fennel powder, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of paprika, coriander powder. I have a small onion, grated finely, and 2 tablespoons of garlic minced very tiny. Then I add 2 lemon juice, the juice of 2 lemon, 4 tablespoons of water, and 4 tablespoons of oil. Use any oil of your choice. Then I create a paste and I rubbed it into this chicken, and make sure it goes into the cuts, the slits that you make in the chicken, and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. Then I have a baking pan and I've brushed it with a bit of oil, and I'm going to arrange the chicken leg onto the baking pan. So I have I think about 12 chicken leg here. So if you're making a smaller portion, reduce the ingredients. You don't like why I put that much of the spices, because it will create a nice thin crust as it roasts in the oven, and will give a nice crunchy texture on the top of the chicken while the chicken is really moist and tender. And I cracked some freshly ground black pepper there. If you don't want, you can omit some of the black pepper. You can use half a teaspoon or so. And if you don't like too much of smoky flavor in your chicken, reduce the cumin to 1 teaspoon. Here I'm preheating my oven to 425 degrees. And as it comes to the temperature at 425, I'll put the chicken into the oven. Do not cover it, because I want the chicken to sear and become nice and crusty. The spice will create a crust on top of the chicken. So we will put it in there for about 20 minutes. And then when 20 minutes is up, I'll reduce the temperature to 350 degrees. Now, the chicken, when I open this, take a look. Oh man, that is so smoky. So what happened, as it cooked like that, it reduced a lot of juice from the chicken, natural. And I will get the aluminum foil, put it together, and then we will cover this chicken and let it bake for additional 30 minutes. And then the chicken will have created a nice crusty looking, see that? It's super moist inside, but the spice create a layer on top, and a nice crust and flavorful, it's really delicious looking. So now what I do, I take out the aluminum foil and I'm going to cook it for at least 15-20 minutes or so, and then all the juice will evaporate and it will look as beautiful as this. I mean, take a look at this, right? Take a close-up. It's so delicious. Now this chicken is no spicy, it's totally flavorful and really delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And now, I'm going to take this out from the pan. See how crusty and beautiful that looks? And it's super moist, it's not dry, And so it takes a total about an hour and 50 minutes or so, or more, maybe 20. And so there I serve it on my table. It looks so yummy. And then we serve with some steamed vegetable, some steamed broccoli, and a little bit of basmati rice. And this was dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video.